Dental veneers are ultra-thin shells, usually made of porcelain or composite resin, designed to cover the front surface of your teeth and instantly improve your smile. In the United States, veneers have become one of the most popular cosmetic dental procedures, with millions of Americans choosing them for a flawless, natural look. The process typically starts with a consultation, where your dentist evaluates your teeth and discusses your goals. During your next visit, a small amount of enamel is removed to make room for the veneers. Impressions are then taken and sent to a dental lab, where your custom veneers are crafted to match the shape, size and color of your natural teeth. Porcelain veneers are especially popular across the USA because they resist stains and can last 10 to 15 years with proper care. The average cost in America ranges from $1,500 to $2,500 per tooth, reflecting the high-quality materials and expert craftsmanship involved. Veneers can correct a wide range of cosmetic issues, including discoloration, chips, gaps, and mild misalignment. However, they are not suitable for everyone, and a thorough dental exam is essential before starting treatment. If you're in the USA or Canada and considering a smile makeover, talk to a qualified cosmetic dentist to find out if veneers are the right choice for you.